Good morning, it's day 3. So this morning I'm just going to do an air cleaner. Look, this is pretty dirty after 2 days. It's been quite dusty out there, even up the back. Yeah, we'll get that done. Joe's bike's still holding up pretty good. She had a wash yesterday, but I've got one tyre to change this morning. Other than that, I think all the crews are all standing up really well. Alright, get this air cleaner done and off to brekkie.
It's over. So pretty it hurts. Just beware of the thorns. You got a glimpse and you can't resist, luring you in closer. Guess I got a jinx. You want honest man, but you don't understand. I won't be here when you wake up again. You want an honest man, but you don't understand. I won't be here when you wake up again. Got so much I need to cover. All the lies I lied, been with me for too long.
We'll take it back to Nick's. He's got that little hand compressor thing. Duty. Yeah. We'll just go back there. He's still there.
You got a glimpse and you can't resist, luring you in closer. I guess I got a jinx.
We've been along some of the prettiest roads and I'm just stopping in here. Have a look at this gorgeous creek. How pretty is that?
You want an honest man, but you don't understand. I won't be here when you wake up again. You want an honest man, but you don't understand. I won't be here when.
Must be a good looking swimming hole down here. Oh, it's lovely. Gonna have to have a look at this place. Look at that. Big swimming hole up there. That is lovely as.
Difference, look at you now, and baby cut yourself loose. Save all the things that I said that night, playing it cool but I never got it right. Baby cut yourself loose. I was mesmerized by your eyes. You keep me up every night. Keep me up every night. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone. Now you know everything that I am. Caught in the palm, no backup plan. So baby cut yourself loose. Cause a little trouble, don't shed a tear. Keep that sesame smile from ear to ear. And baby cut yourself loose.
it right?
So, lunch and fuel at Glenray General Store. It was delicious. Well, nice fresh sandwiches. It is boiling out here and we're going to get back on the bikes and get some airflow.
Play it cool, but I never got it right. Baby, cut yourself loose.
Boo Boo River. Boo Boo River. Let's have a look. It is. Actually, so there's no need to get in the water because it's probably going to rain on us anyway. Alright, on we go then. Get going. Okay.
Righto, so we've got a nasty storm coming, I reckon, in the next couple of hours. So we're just about to hit the enduro route up towards Dorrigo. It's cooled off already, it feels good. Holy shit. Big storm coming, guys. Hey, if it starts to rain, I'm going to put my phone away. I'll just run on my GPS.
Keep me up every night. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone.
Fuck. That's killing me. Yeah. Well, I can't do much about it. I can't see. Yeah. Holy shit, that's terrible. Hey, can you just pass me that bit of stick, please? That's right. Wow, it's gone from what, 35 degree heat. Oh, and listen to that. Woo! Alright, time to get a raincoat on. We've pulled up for that storm, and if you can hear it, oh, lightning above us. Scotty's decided to put on some clear lenses. Listen. That is crazy thunderstorm. All weather sweep riders and our head medic and the lead riders are laying around the pool.
Yep. Look at that. What a pretty road, eh?
Not only is it raining, storming, now it's hailing. Holy shit, getting flogged. I don't know what to do, just keep going or what? Righto. Good. Yep. Righto. That's smashing me hands. Righto. Cool. No, there's too much hail. Oh, that's smashing my hands, Scotty. Hey? Holy shit, that was just belting my knuckles there. Look at it. It's only little in here, but that was big back there. It's getting really windy now. We're not moving. I wouldn't mind moving away from this big tree. Alright. What do you reckon? Stop hailing? No, look at those big ones there. You want to... Gee, I don't know, can you look at any updates with your gloves? Yeah, should be able to. Just have a look in your... See if there's anyone in trouble out there. Ho 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 ho. That is nuts. This is taking the fun out of it. Unbelievable. Look at that. Holy shit. Look at the water coming down here. Oh, look at that causeway. Oh, oh. Yeah, that's how you get the water out of your boots. Look at it, that's coming out too. Looks good. Lovely Bellinger. Oh, there's some arrows.
That's it. We're home. Back to the motel. Day 3 done and dusted. Thanks, buddy. I think I will. I don't care about the weather. I think I'll jump in the pool. Sounds like a plan. We'll see you then.
It's where it goes to the cattle grid.
Yep.
And I've got no GPS and I fucking went, this ain't fucking right.
No.
And I haven't seen a green sticker for a long time.
Yep.
Now I'm worried I've got not enough fuel.
Well, the boys are at it again. Darren and Ryan. They love it. They love changing tyres. The GS is just chewing up tyres. Chewing up tubes. Righto, Ryan's away again. Just before the next shower. That perfect timing. We're all done. Righto.
Yeah, I don't think you got a choice in that.
Just look at yours. I just saw a blue light. Yeah. Yeah, you're on.
Yeah.
Now we're on. We should be good to go. That's from the rain. Huh. Look at the water. Woo! Just going to come past here, Scotty, on video Ryan up here. It's going good on the big jigger. Oh, 500's made for this stuff. Nice.
We're just waiting for the sweep riders to come in. I think mostly everybody has made it in before the rain hit.
Life of a sweep rider does. We try to get the stickers off. And no tabs on the side. They suck. Anyway, I'm down.
Ryan. How you doing, sweep rider?
You see those two big, those up there? Two stickers. They must have got the back of the ute. Oh, that's hilarious. We looked up there and I went, Pip, you bastards. Anyway, good day, wasn't it?
Good day.
Awesome day.
Nice work.